What if Minecraft was programmed to beat itself? Let's find out. First, download the necessary autocrafting, automining, and combat automation mods. These will be the brains of our operation. Make sure they're compatible with your version of Minecraft. Place a chest to act as your central storage. This will be where all the mined resources and crafted items accumulate. Next, set up an automatic crafting table adjacent to the chest for efficient item creation. Now it's mining time. Set up an automated miner to excavate resources like coal, iron, and diamonds. Configure the miner to deposit all mined resources directly into the central chest. Program the auto-crafting table to create necessary tools, weapons, and armor. Prioritize the crafting of diamond equipment, as these are essential for progressing further. Time to get food running. Set up an automated farm to grow crops like wheat, carrots, or potatoes. Ensuring a constant food supply is critical for sustaining our automated player. Make sure you get enough bone meal for the production. Time to go to war. Equip your automated player with diamond armor, a sword, and a bow and arrow. Program it to automatically engage in combat with mobs. Your final goal is to enter the nether, gather blaze rods, find the end and finally defeat the ender dragon, so you may start setting up your next objectives. Sit back and watch the Minecraft beat itself.